Hello guys, in this video I want to share my story about my hairs and how you can deal with it. I started losing my hairs when I was in college, first year, 5 years ago, 4 years ago, something like that. So at that time I was thinking what if if I will become bald or something, my life will become hell, or maybe how I will face the world. I was thinking like that. That time it was very to think like that, like I will become bald, was very like a nightmare. But later on I thought let's accept it. And what I did, I was losing hair. Initially I was hiding my hairs, maybe I keep my hairs very long so that wherever I don't have hairs, so just I keep my hairs hairs like this, so that nobody will see that I'm losing my hairs or something. Okay, but it make me irritated, like always I'm checking mirrors like my hairs are on right position or not, something like that, which is giving, I was disturbed inside. So I thought let's cut them off, like just show the world how you look without hairs also, something like that, let's don't hide anything, just cut your hairs. So I took that step. That time it was very difficult time for me. I was thinking how I will face the world if I will cut my whole hair and I will go to my school, if I will go to any party like weddings and all those stuff. So I was thinking how I will face the world, face my family, face my relatives, something like that. But I finally decided to cut my hairs and I start going everywhere like this. Initially it was very awkward. I was very less confident about it, but later on I become more comfortable in this look. So I'm quite happy now. I don't care that much what people is thinking, why he's bald or something. So I will just suggest you, if you are losing hair, you can try some treatment or something, but I suggest you just cut your hairs and just face the world like that. So do it. Don't think some magic power will come and you will regain your hairs or something like that. Or don't go for some other stuff like hair transplant or wig or something. Why you want to put something artificially on your body? Just let it be. You are who is really important for you, they will accept you as you are. So don't think if you don't have hair, so what will happen to my life, no one will love me or something like that. Just let it be and just cut your hair. With some time, maybe when you will go to every places like this, initially they will say that what happened to your hair, but they will not say it later on. They will accept you and you will also become more comfortable. No stress where is my hair going, what if someone will see my hairs is not here or something like that. So just don't think about it, just cut your all hairs and live like that and be comfortable in this look. When you will become comfortable, you can choose whether to grow your hairs again and what, maybe if your hair loss is not that much, but at least try to be comfortable in this look. It's not that bad, and just try it. Maybe you will feel that no one is used to be bald in my society or around my locality, but let it be. Just become bald. Your hair don't become disturbed inside if you are just all the time thinking about hair. So just cut them off. Thanks, brother and sister. Have a nice life.